Friday night, mostly cloudy with thunderstorms likely. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Llano County, northwestern Burnett County, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Toll, or 9 miles north of Buchanan Dam, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Buchanan Lake Village, Lake Victor, Bluffton, Sun Lane, Tow, and Shady Grove. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your local forecast.